Hello students, welcome to SRIST. Today I will discuss about fourth experiment of electrical measuring instrument lab, that is to measure an inductance by using Maxwell bridge by virtual lab platform. Let's see the bridge diagram. It is the modified form of Wheatstone bridge. This type of bridge circuit is used to measure the unknown inductance value of the circuit by comparing it with a standard value of self-inductance. Two arms of the bridge circuit known non-inductive resistance. Another one arm contains variable inductance with a fixed resistor in series, and another one arm contains unknown inductance in series with a resistor. The AC voltage source and a null detector are connected across the junctions of the circuit. The circuit diagram is shown where L1 is unknown self-inductance of resistance R1, L2 variable inductance of fixed resistance R2, R2 is variable resistance connected in series with inductor L2. R3, R4 is known non-inductive resistance. At balance, L1 equals to R3 by R4 into L2. R1 equals to R3 by R4 into capital R2 plus small r2. The value of the R3 and R4 resistance varies from 10 to 10,000 ohm with the help of resistance boxes. Now we will perform the experiment. Now we will perform the experiment. First procedure, apply supply voltage 3 volt from the signal generator with arbitrary frequency. Signal generator voltage 3 volt. Next, select the type of unknown inductor, AR core or iron core, from Set Inductor Value tab by clicking on Set button. This is AR core selected, so I set the value. It is AR core selected. Then switch on the supply to get millivoltmeter deflection. So it is required to achieve null. So it is almost null achieved. Next, if null is achieved, switch to measure inductor value. It is inductor value is 0.0821, resistance value is 8.298, and quality factor is always less value, minimum value, that is 0.003. So range of L1 for AR core 45 millihenry and iron core 450 millihenry. Now I select it to iron core. Next I set the value. It is iron core selected. Now I switch on the switch. So it is almost null achieved. So measure inductor value tab is 0.0821 and resistance value is 8.298 and quality factor is 0.03. This is which I need to be measured. Thank you.